This man was captured on a Ring camera late at night. At first, he attempts to ring the doorbell, but when he receives no response, he peers right into the doorbell camera. When he starts whispering something creepy to himself,
What'll I do?
the man seems beside himself. His actions make no sense. He then again peers into the camera a second time, but suddenly he moves over to the door, and he tries to yank the door open. The man then strangely says he is looking for his dog Frito.
Okay, I was just looking for my dog, Fido.
He then walks away muttering to himself. But what were his real intentions?